Subway house. One second, guys. I should have brought gloves. Put the little dinosaur in. Oh, wow. I'm about to cut. Oh, said I'm about to cut. Down to become a Roblox story. Oh wow, this is sticky. My hands are literally stuck. Okay, now I have to wash my hands. Oh god. Okay, anyways, Troll Bros, I have very sad news. I'm literally creating a mess. I'm literally so sorry. And if you include, and if you use this video You better grade me. Anyways, yeah. Now I have to clean all this up. Okay, why did I should have bought the teddy bear one. But since I like dinosaurs, you wanna hear something when I bought this toy? By the way, happy Mother's Day. Anyways, one time today when I bought this, the lady said, "Why didn't you get the teddy bear one?" And then she was like, "Poor teddy bear. He lost it. He lost his family. They got kidnapped by they probably got kidnapped by Duolingo." So basically, the rest of the teddy bear family got kidnapped by Duolingo. I don't know if that's a bad word, cause yeah, cause so many people censor it. Skibidi toilet. Okay, just shut up. I hate Skibidi toilet, and I never ever watched. And I'm so glad that the folk boom discontinued the series. I'm really glad because it's absolute brain rot. I even saw my friends turn into those, I forgot their name, cameraman and speaker man. Wait, I predicted speaker man. I remember singing this song, Speaker Man, catch whatever the speaker does. That means I predicted him. I think I'm a future teller. You could literally hear me clapping. You do not want to look how gooey my hand is. Is it made out of glue or something? Kawaii Slime Company. If Kawaii Slime Company is watching this, why is your slime so sticky? I get it's did you put too much glue into this? Okay. Oh my god. It's a dinosaur. You wanna know what my favorite song is? I have a bunch. Most of them are your favorite Martian or Martin. I don't know how it's pronounced. AKA YFM. YFM. Most. You should go check out my Way Too Funny and Songs I Like playlist. I know this is I know YouTube's gonna disable my comments. My hands are literally a spider web. Let me move the camera real quick. I'm making my iPad dirty. Kid. I don't care. I will always be an iPad kid. I mean, move the slime out of the way. Oh my god. I'm praying. Oh, my hands are a spider web. Hey, there's a bubble. wash my hands. Are you enjoying that cut? Are you enjoying that cut? Like bathtub dinosaur? Did you cut? Bro really said I'm about to cut. Okay, he's covered in the cut. Okay, I should stop being the perfectly cut. Yeah. Like that. That's basically my classmate. And they always had this. I'm mewing right now. I realize, check how many. I realize that the way too funny playlist had the most like videos. It can't be that bad, right? Okay, now I have to clean all of this up. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know the slime name, it's Dino Cereal. As you can tell, the Dino has friends, but it's not in the slime, sadly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. I was a bad girl. Skibbity